Welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for tuning in. In today's video, I'm sharing another stew recipe. Quick, easy, and very yummy. Into my cooking pot, I'm going in now with some oil. I'm going to heat it up 4 to 5 minutes and add the chopped onions. If you're new here, my name is Kai and I love sharing quick, easy, and very yummy recipes on this channel. After frying this for 4 to 5 minutes, I'm going in now with the tomato puree, roughly 6 tablespoons. Now I'm adding the blended ginger, garlic, and onion paste. Please make sure you cook all this on medium-low heat. I'm going to let it fry for 10 to 15 minutes and I'll add the rest of the ingredients, which are the blended tomato, onions, and also a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. Shout out to all my returning subscribers for checking this new recipe. I'm sure you're going to love it. Don't forget to drop me a comment, and also if you're new here, you are very welcome. Consider subscribing so you don't miss out on my new uploads. For protein, I'm going to use grilled turkey, but you can use either beef, lamb for this recipe. I've let this cook once I added the blended ingredients 20 to 30 minutes so everything can fry perfectly well before adding the grilled turkey. Stir everything gently and let this cook for another 5 to 8 minutes. Time to add your onions and also the other vegetables like carrots if you want to, or just peppers. So I just added a little bit of Scotch bonnet. You can either blend it with your tomatoes and onion or just drop it in like what I just did if you have children that don't eat too much pepper. At this point, you can check your stew again and see if you need to add maybe a little bit of salt or any other seasoning of your choice, but everything seems to be very good. I'm just going to cover it up and let it cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. And this is our stew so ready. And you can pair this with either rice, yam, boiled plantain, fried plantains, and it's looking super delicious. If you are enjoying the recipe, kindly like the video and keep watching. And don't forget to let me know what you're going to pair your stew with. Today, I decided to pair mine with fried yam. And if you're interested to know how to fry your yam perfectly well, I will be dropping the video next week for you to check that out. But it's quite straightforward, easy to make, and your family going to love it if they love fried yam, and you're going to love it as well. And this is dinner ready. so inviting. In Togo we pair it with a little bit of pasta, and that's all. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye. Au revoir.